Okay, today we have a small experiment on two battery-powered crimping tools. And the left one is EK12042L from Klauke, and the right one is ECT12042 from Bete. And today we choose the same cable. You can see same cable and same connectors, same crimping dies. You can see from all the section area of these two cables are 120 square millimeters. All the dies, connectors, and cables are the same. Let's check again. Check again. Okay. So let's start the crimping experiment. Listen to my sound. And 1, 2, 3, go! Okay, we have finished, and let's see the effects. You can see the Klauke crimping effects and the Bete crimping effects. Okay, we have finished. That's all for today. Thank you.